Hi, welcome to the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to know about the quadrilaterals, a pair of four-sided polygons. We are going to know about the different types of quadrilaterals. There are many different types of quadrilaterals. We identify quadrilaterals using their sides and angles. Look here, it is a side and this is angle. Let us review. All polygons are made up of line segments and angles. The line segments that create quadrilaterals will be parallel or perpendicular or intersecting. Look here. In this quadrilateral, the opposite sides are parallel. In this quadrilateral, the adjacent sides are perpendicular. In this quadrilateral, the adjacent sides are intersecting. Observe carefully. The angles that make up polygons will be right angles, acute angles or obtuse angles. Look here, the angle that makes up the vertex of this quadrilateral is acute angle. That means it is less than 90. Look here, the angle that makes up this vertex of the quadrilateral is right angle, that is 90 degrees. Look at this. The angle that makes up the vertex of this quadrilateral is obtuse angle. That means it is more than 90 and less than 180. In this way, quadrilaterals are having angles. Now, let us know about squares. What is a square? A square is a quadrilateral that has four equal sides and four right angles. Look here. Observe the picture carefully. This square has four right angles and all four sides are congruent. That means they are having same length. How many pairs of parallel sides do you see? Here AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Do you understand? And all the sides are equal. Now we are going to know about rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides that are equal and four right angles. Look at the picture carefully. Opposite sides are equal. This rectangle has four right angles and two pairs of parallel sides that are congruent. That means the opposite sides are equal. Here AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. If all four sides were equal, would this shape still be a rectangle? Think about it. Now let us know about rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral that has four equal sides and two pairs of parallel sides. Look the picture carefully. This rhombus has four congruent sides and two pairs of parallel sides. Are you observing? Can a square be a rhombus? Think about it. Now trapezium, or we can call it as trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has one pair of parallel sides. That means only one pair of parallel sides. Look at this picture. This trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides. Can you identify which two sides are parallel? Yes, AD is parallel to BC. Do trapezoids have to have sides that are congruent? Observe carefully. Now, parallelograms. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has two pair of parallel sides. See the picture. AD and BC are parallel. AB and DC are also parallel. This parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. Can you draw a parallelogram that looks different than this one? Can you try? Yes, you can try it. You have to draw a parallelogram that looks different than this one. Look here. With your newly found knowledge, you will be able to identify quadrilaterals everywhere. Try it out. What is this? Observe carefully. This is a rectangle. Now, see this picture. What is this? It is a trapezium. Now, observe this picture. It is a square. Now, what about this? Have you seen this? This is also a trapezium because two sides are parallel. Two opposite sides are parallel. Now, observe this picture. What is this? It's a rhombus. Now, observe this picture. Can you tell the name? It's a parallelogram. Do you understand? Thank you.